The 2005 Ford Mondeo, particularly the V6 petrol variant in UK specification, was part of the third generation of the Mondeo line, which Ford produced from 2000 to 2007. This model continued Ford's tradition of producing solid, reliable family cars, and it brought several improvements over its predecessors. Here are key aspects of the 2005 Ford Mondeo V6 petrol version. Engine and performance. The V6 petrol engine in the 2005 Mondeo was typically a 2.5-liter or 3-liter Duratec unit. The 2.5-liter version usually produced around 170 horsepower, while the 3-liter engine, often found in the ST220 model, delivered approximately 226 horsepower. These engines were known for their smooth power delivery and relatively brisk performance, making the Mondeo quite enjoyable to drive for a family saloon. Transmission. The Mondeo V6 was generally equipped with either a manual or an automatic transmission. The manual transmission was usually a 5 or 6-speed depending on the engine, while the automatic was typically a 5-speed. The choice between transmissions depended on the specific model and the market. Exterior and interior design. The 2005 Mondeo featured a design that was both contemporary and conservative. It had a balanced, if not particularly striking, appearance with a spacious and comfortable interior. The cabin quality was good for its class, with materials and build quality that were competitive at the time. Features and equipment. Standard equipment on the Mondeo included items like air conditioning, electric windows, and safety features such as multiple airbags and ABS. Higher trim levels added luxuries such as leather upholstery, advanced infotainment systems, and more comprehensive safety technologies. Features and equipment. Standard equipment on the Mondeo included items like air conditioning, electric windows, and safety features such as multiple airbags and ABS. Higher trim levels added luxuries such as leather upholstery, advanced infotainment systems, and more comprehensive safety technologies. Safety and reliability. The Mondeo had a good safety record, with solid results in crash tests. Its reliability was generally considered good, though, like any vehicle, it depended on regular maintenance and the overall treatment by previous owners. Market and reception. In the UK and Europe, the Mondeo was a popular choice among family car buyers, praised for its spaciousness, comfort, and driving dynamics. It competed with other mid-size saloons. In summary, the 2005 Ford Mondeo V6 Petrol in UK spec was a well-rounded family saloon offering a good mix of performance, comfort, and practicality. Its V6 engine variants, particularly the 3-liter and the ST220, were especially appreciated by those looking for a more spirited driving experience in a family-friendly package.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tariq TV Productions. Don't miss out on our latest content. Subscribe. Whilst you're here, share the love, like and share too. Bye-bye.